Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on BitTorrent. As in my earlier video, I was showing you that BitTorrent has recently broken out another falling wedge pattern on a daily time frame chart, and this was my last video. And now if we take a look at the live chart, then you can see that after the breakout, the price line has rallied very well, and it has also broken out a quite significant resistance zone that starts from 108 and goes to 115. It was working as a resistance here, and for several days, this level has been working as a support here. And after the breakdown, you can see it was flipped into a very strong resistance. And you can see we got rejection here, rejection here, rejection here. And this was the last rejection. And after that, the price line has broken out this resistance zone. And now this resistance zone can work as a very strong and long-term support zone for the price line. And you can see that it is also rejected by the next resistance of 156. $0.00000156 that had been previously breaking as a resistance here. And let me to take you to the weekly time frame chart. Then you can see that previously here, back in the month of January 2022, it had been breaking as a support as well. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to show you this huge breakout from this very, very big falling wedge pattern. And if I place this measurement tool from this low to this high, then you can see that it rallied more than 363%, but still struggling to break out this long-term resistance of 156. And I would also like to show you my most recent trade signal for BitTorrent that I shared a few days ago on 11th of Feb 2024 with my members. And so far, this move has produced almost 57% pump. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for BitTorrent that I shared on 11th of Feb 2024 with my members. And that was a harmonic bullish reversal Gartley pattern that BitTorrent formed with Bitcoin there on a 4-hour time frame chart. This was a complete trade setup. This was the buying range and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price line started a very nice reversal from this buying zone. First, it read the sell target zone here, and after hitting this sell target zone, the price line again moved down, and then we had a bigger pump, and so far it has pumped almost 57 or 58%. And before that, I shared this harmonic bullish reversal bat move in the month of March 2023 that was getting completed with Bitcoin pair, not with Bitcoin, with US dollar pair on a daily time frame chart. By the way, this recent move was also with US dollar pair that I've shared on 11th of Feb, and this previous one was also with US dollar pair. And if I play this chart, then you can see that the price line dropped more down, completed the leg here, and to the buying zone. Then we had a very nice pump, and this was almost 61% pump only on this daily time frame chart. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now let me to take you to the live chart of BitTorrent. And first of all, let me to show you this daily time frame chart, and you can see that since after 10th of December 2023, it was moving inside this wedge, and after testing this quite long-term support of 7.7, the price and in fact formed a double bottom at this support, and it geared up very well, broke out the resistance of the wedge, and also broke out this quite long-term resistance on that starts from 108 and goes to 115, and now it has reached this quite long-term resistance of 156. This was also the target for this breakout from this falling wedge pattern as well, because this is the top of this wedge. And now if we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then here you can see that we have already broken out a quite big falling wedge pattern. You can see that the price was entered inside this wedge here in the month of March 2022. In fact, we found a resistance here in the month of January 2022. And since then, you can see that it was not able to break out this resistance. We had a long spike here, but the price then could not break it out here. We got several ejections. And from here, from the month of June 2022, we also found a quite strong and nice support as well. And after getting squeezed inside the support and resistance of the falling wedge pattern, finally the price line broke out the resistance of this wedge. And then we had a very, very nice pump from this low to this high. It rallied more than 363%, but got rejected by this long-term resistance of 156 that was previously breaking as a support here. And now for the past several weeks, it is breaking at a resistance. And I'm expecting a big jump after breaking out this resistance, because after breaking out, the next long-term resistance will be here at 250. And that is almost the target for this breakout from this falling wedge pattern as well. That can be between 240 to 250. So this was the update so far. I hope that you like the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.